guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee, and on today's video I'm gonna be doing my wish list for 2021. I'm very excited because I have a few pieces that I want this year and I'm really hoping to get them. I had very few things on my wish list, and then the Chanel 21P collection came out and oh my god, I went crazy because, as you may already know, which are my favorite colors are brown, beiges, all the neutral colors are my thing. So I have a lot of things that I love from that collection. And yeah, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started with this wish list video. Constance Mini from Hermes in the gold color. In the mini size, I absolutely love that bag. It's something that I want from some years ago, and it is now back in my wish list because I already got my Kelly Mini just for, you know, eye candy. I'm so happy that I got it. But you know what, guys? I am still wanting the Kelly in the size 25. I thought this was going to keep that bag out of my wish list, but definitely it didn't. I wanted it last year. I wanted it in the Cellier, and now I want it in the Retourne. I don't know if that's the way you pronounce it, but yeah, I'm gonna insert a picture so that you have an idea of the difference. I think the Cellier is much more structured and more elegant. The Retourne, it's a little bit more casual. So for this baby, I love in the Cellier, but I think that if I'm able to get a Kelly 25, I want it in the Retourne. I think I want it in the taupe color, or maybe different color like the gray asphalt or something similar, but you know, to have a different color option in my collection, because I have this one in the beautiful taupe. But yeah, let's see if I can get that back into my collection. The other thing that I want to add this year from Hermes is this little belt here, because it's very understated, very beautiful, and I absolutely love the buckle. This belt in this color, I absolutely love it. So let's move on to Louis Vuitton. So I had the Horizon in the size 50. You know, 2020 was really weird, and so I was not able to travel as I used to, but I'm looking forward to travel a little bit more this year, so hopefully I can do that. And this little baby is still in my wish list for this year, so I want that travel piece, and I also want this little hook here that you use to put your bag. I want a packing cube from Louis Vuitton, the bigger size, because I have the medium size and I absolutely love it and I've been using it a lot. I also wanted the small packing cube. I wanted all three sizes, but I have this little cutie here, which I think is very similar in size. So I don't think I need that cube anymore. And with that, I think I would complete my dream Louis Vuitton traveling collection. It's like a choker and the bracelet. I'm also linking everything below. I also want these boots from Louis Vuitton. I decided that I would go for the desert boots because they are so much more comfortable, and I really want to use what I'm getting. So these are also on my wish list. And something else that is on my wish list this year are these pair of sneakers from LV. If you follow me on Instagram, you may already know that I unboxed these beautiful sneakers the first day of the year. Yeah, my essay was amazing and she was able to find some in my size. So here they are. I didn't do a proper unboxing on these shoes because I was, you know, I really wanted to use them immediately. And yeah, so if you follow me on Instagram, you may already seen this in my stories. I got this beautiful I don't know the name of these, runaway sneakers, I think they are. And guys, let me tell you that I've been loving these shoes because I wanted a different style of sneakers, and it was impossible for me to get those in my size because I'm at 34. So you already know that this size is really hard to find. So my essay told me that they had these sneakers, and oh my god, you guys, I don't know, they surprised me in a very good way. I absolutely love that they have like a heel like here, but they also have like inside heel. So this is how much I can, you know, grow with these sneakers. It's huge. I mean, and they are so comfortable, and I've been using them like non-stop. Seriously, I love them. So another thing that is on my wish list is from Chanel. I absolutely love the Chanel 19 in the 21P brown. It's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I'm obsessed with this bag. So I don't know if I'm gonna get it, but if my essay gets one, maybe I will. I'm thinking about it because I got a surprise. I have an unboxing for you guys. This is going to be my second unboxing of the year. I'm so excited about this, and yeah, guys, oh my god. So it came in this bag, and I got the beautiful camellia with the glitter and the beautiful Chanel ribbon. And here's the box, beautifully wrapped as always. Oh my god, this camellia and this ribbon is so beautiful. I'm so excited that I got it. Can you guess what it is, guys? Oh my god, you guys! Beautiful Chanel mini of the 21P collection in this beautiful beige color or brown color in the lambskin with light gold hardware. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm so happy that I got this because I wanted a Chanel square mini in a lighter color. I have one in the black caviar leather. And yeah, I wanted something lighter, and this is just perfect. So I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so happy I was able to get this piece. You know how these little babies sold out so quickly. So I'm so happy that I was able to get my hands in this little baby. And well, you already know how this looks. This piece is made in Italy, and it only has the zipper pocket here. I have my authenticity card here and the slip pocket. I definitely got really crazy when this was launched. Okay, so I also have these Dior earrings that I've been wanting since they were launched. Let's see if I can get these beautiful earrings because it was like love at first sight when I saw them. Also, another piece that I want to add to my collection, I'm not sure, but this is like the only SLG that catches my eye lately because I really do have like a very complete SLG collection, so I really don't need anything else. I'm very happy with everything that I have, but the only thing that gets my attention is the Recto Verso wallet from Louis Vuitton. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it, but I added it to my wish list because I think it's a very interesting piece and I love the looks of it, and I think it's very functional. So it's the kind of SLG that I like. Okay guys, so that's going to be everything for today's video. I really hope that you enjoy it. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button up below, and also clicking on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye guys!